The River by Mr. Florante C. Andres. The River by Mr. Florante C. Andres. Oops! No, please, not again. You should not let me die in vain. I can still help you, Alan. You know that it's enough. I am your river, your fish and sleep. They will also die. Don't you believe? Don't throw that garbage on me. It's bad for the fishes. Don't you see? Ouch! Ouch! What's that again? Dynamite! You foolish fisherman! You're hurting me almost every day. Get out of the river. Please. Go away. Please. Please. Take care of me. Let me now and set me free. I am the river, son of the sea. I am the river, please love me. Oh! Oh! There comes the rain. Garbage are back to you again. Floods will follow. Now you can see what have you done to me. Save the river. Save the river. Let me live forever. So the children can learn to swim along the river of their dreams. The river.